Welcome to C49 Hockey Breaks 12 Days of Christmas, day number 10, and break number 32 on the channel. And today, on the road of 12 Days of Disappointment leading up to Christmas, we have a box of 17-18 Upper Deck Premier. Please, this has to be the day which we turn our streak of very unfortunate luck, in my opinion. We have to turn it around today. Can pull autos on autograph tins this year, and of course, we don't pull one. Box number 512. It's whatever. 12 Days of Disappointment. I hope you are enjoying this, folks, because I honestly am not. But if you guys are, then I'm happy. So, let's get this underway. Is the bottom of base? It's a jersey. Let's start with that. We have a Premier Rookie jersey of Ville Husso. We have a Premier base number 206 of 249, Erik Karlsson. We have a Premier Rookies number 197 of 399 of Vince Dunn. Let's skip over that one and go down, and we will grab a Premier jersey of Dale Hawerchuk. Hop down to the bottom, we will grab a Premier Duels number 44 of 99, Gabriel Carlsson and Pierre-Luc Dubois. We have a Premier Rookies auto of Alex, that guy, who I've never heard of and has a totally unpronounceable name. Alex. And we finish. At least we finish well on this break. We finish number 26 of 49, 3-color patch, Super Rookies, Max Pacioretty. This is honestly probably our best card so far on the 12 Days of Disappointment leading up to Christmas. Max Pacioretty, Super Rookies. Goes along with our Alex Dude autograph here. Well, folks, that does it for today's disappointing break. Here on the 12 Days of Christmas, we have 2 days left. Tomorrow, the 23rd of December, that is honestly kind of depressing that the year is almost gone by already. This year flew past. We have a product that will more than likely never be brought back to the channel. 1516 Black Diamond. I happened to snag this up for a fairly good deal on Black Friday. I was limited to only ordering one online, so I snagged one. Figured it would maybe have something good in it, but it is normally very expensive. And Splendor for Christmas Eve, 1718 Splendor, snagged this up on sale on Black Friday as well. I Don't know if I'll be getting any more Splendor in either, as our shop here has said that he will not be bringing any more in. He is out as the price continues to go up. So likely the last time you'll see these two products on the channel. So leave a like on this video, folks, and subscribe for the last 2 days of the 12 days of Christmas. And you won't miss, hopefully, some better breaks after Christmas if these two are along the lines of the first 10 days. So